Hello everyone. As you know that Google has released its own AI model that can be run offline on a computer, and that is called Gemma 4. So today we will learn how to install this model Gemma 4 using another you can say a middle step in between the Ollama. So when you will open its website, that is ollama.com, you will find a button to download it. When you click on the download, it will give you three options. The one is for Mac, Linux and Windows. So for the Mac, it is the best option that we can just copy this command, and then we will open our terminal, and in this terminal we will just paste this command and hit enter. Now this will start the Ollama app downloading, and it will just install it. So now you can see it is asking for my password. I will enter my password and hit enter. So it is showing that the Ollama is now complete. So the installation of Ollama is complete. We will hit Ollama version, and now it is telling me that we have Ollama app. Now there are three ways to install the Gemma 4 model. So it can launch all of these this models like cloud and all of those things, but right now we need to install the Gemma 4 model. Now we will see how to install the Gemma 4 model. So for this, first of all we have to select that which model of Gemma 4 are we going to install. So let us see how many models do we have. So it has a model of 2 billion parameters, 4 billion parameters, E2B, E4B, and then it has model for 26 billion parameter and 31 billion parameters. And I would like to tell you that the E4B model is best for the MacBook, or you can say your desktop PCs. So what we will do, we will install the Gemma E4B model, and it is Gemma 4. So what we will do, we will again open our terminal, and in the terminal app we have to install the Gemma 4 model. So for that we will write Ollama run Gemma 4, and we will write the model name E4B, and we will hit enter. Now it is telling that it is pulling the manifest, and it has started downloading the Gemma 4 model. So now our Gemma 4 model is almost to be downloaded, and I have restarted its download because due to the network connection sometimes it was not able to complete the download. So I am very near to it right now. It is almost 9.3 GB out of 9.6 GB for now. So let's wait for 1 minute or so. I will just skip the video to the end. And now this download is to be completed. Just 3, 2, 1 and go. So the Gemma 4 now has been downloaded, and it is just downloading some more required files, and it is now verifying the short-256 digest, and it is just doing the installation of this Gemma 4 model. And now our model has been installed. Now I will show you one thing. This Gemma 4 will work even if I am offline. So what I will do, I will just switch off the Wi-Fi, and now I will just write out something. Let's say tell me about the history of America. So now this is thinking, and it will give me the result after a few seconds or so, and ultimately it is using the resources of my laptop instead of the cloud. This is very important because now the data will be only within my laptop, and there will be nothing outside my laptop, right? And here is the history. So it is giving the pre-Columbian era and the colonial era and so on. So it is giving me the history of America in this way. So this is how you can install the Gemma 4 model. So for it, you have to just follow few commands. First of all, you have to install the Ollama, and then you have to run the Gemma 4 E4B model. And we see that it is still writing, like the Civil War and everything, right? And it is running without the Wi-Fi. So now I will close this window, and I will again launch this. So this is the terminal. Now what I will do, I will type Ollama list, and now it is telling me that I am having this model Gemma 4 E4B. Now to run this model, I have to type the command Ollama run Gemma 4 E4B, and now the model is being run over here, where I can ask it any of the question, and I can even ask it to write a program. So for example, write a program in Python to add two numbers, a very simple program, but I will show you that it is working, it is thinking, and then it is giving me the result. So first of all, it is thinking, and this the text which is uh, not so dark, so this is the thinking process, and this text is the output one. So it has given me this program, and then it has given me another program, the hard code value, the simple way. Okay, and option 3, it is using a function. So in this way you can use Gemma 4 AI model on your own laptop.